Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming precisely what shows as the shop entry, business profile, or shopping listing, because removal paths differ. Log into the Google account that manages the profile and make sure you have manager privileges. If not, request access now. Once done, capture clear screenshots and any receipts or policy violations that justify removal. This evidence speeds appeals and supports request forms. You'll use these assets in the next steps to either edit the profile, remove products, or file a formal removal request. You now perform the core actions. For a storefront, edit the business profile and set it to permanently closed or remove the profile. For shopping, open Merchant Center, unpublish the products or delete the feed entries, and ensure structured data on your site no longer lists those products. Once done, use Google's content removal and business profile support forms to file requests. Attach screenshots and order ID. Make sure to specify the exact URLs and merchant ID so reviewers can locate and assess the content quickly. Finish by verifying the removal in search results and shopping in 24 to 72 hours. If listings persist, request reindexing via Search Console. Once done, remove or update structured data and sitemap entries so Google won't re-add the shop. If removal is denied, escalate. File an appeal, open Merchant Center support chat, or use business profile support and include your documented evidence. A key troubleshooting tip: if items reappear, check third-party aggregators or syndicated feeds. Stop the source and then re-request removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.